Today's recipe is tender and juicy chicken ramen with green onions. First, finely chop your green onions. Slice the chicken diagonally and season with salt, pepper, and a light coating of potato starch. By coating the chicken with starch before boiling, it seals in the moisture and flavor, making the meat incredibly tender and juicy. In Japan, this glossy, shimmering look is known as sushudori, or crystal chicken. Once the chicken is boiled, mix it with green onions, sesame oil, salt, pepper, and a little grated garlic. And just like that, your juicy chicken topping is ready. Today's ramen features a rich, soy-based broth packed with savory chicken flavor. Top it generously with our special juicy chicken, and finish it off with a slice of lemon, and it's ready to enjoy. Give it a try. It's easy, beautiful, and absolutely delicious.